Hey gang, it's Mark from No Gripes DIY. Now this is going to be a little bit of a different video for me here today, and I've never posted anything like this on YouTube. I just really wanted to find a way to say thank you to all of my subscribers, all of the people who watch my videos, and people who leave constructive feedback and appreciative comments on my videos. It's really what keeps me going. Now, this channel has grown organically over the last several years, and I'm happy with that. That means that I haven't done any gimmicks, I haven't done any promotions, you know, I don't rock back and forth and go on these long rants and tirades about car manufacturers, you know, I don't pop out of a trunk, I don't try to hide my face like the neighbor on Tool Time or whatever, it was a home improvement. You know, I don't try to scrunch my videos under 3 minutes so that I can trick the YouTube algorithm. I try to make helpful videos that people will appreciate and use, and that's how the channel has grown. Now with that said, this past weekend I was creating a video on 5 tool gift ideas for the holiday season, and that was a little bit of a different video for me, but during that video it occurred to me that I have 2 OBD2 code scanners from Autel. Now here's something that maybe you don't realize, is that manufacturers are reaching out to creators like myself, I would say at least weekly, almost daily at this point, offering up code scanners and light bars and LED lights and different tools. And at this point, I'm just simply not responding, or I'm saying no thank you, because I already have code scanners and I already have light bars, you know, and I've done that. But it occurred to me that maybe some of you don't have a code scanner, or maybe you would like to have a light bar. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give this Autel AL539 code scanner away, okay? But here's my concern. I don't want it to come across as being gimmicky, right? I'm giving this away because I have 2 of them, and someone out there, maybe you don't have one, and you can certainly use it. And I would rather have you use this than have it sit in my shelf, because I have 2 of them, okay? Here's what happened. I did a review on this, and within a month they reached out to me and said, do you want the next model up that does ABS code scanning and transmission code scanning? I said, sure, I'll take that. So this one really doesn't get used. Now this has multi-tester functionality as well. I'm going to link to this product down below so you can read reviews on it and learn more about it, but we're going to give it away. Now, here's the thing. If you find that this is gimmicky and cheesy, I'm going to do a poll right here, and I want you to tell me, Mark, this is the last promotion you should run because it's not a good idea. Just continue to make videos as you have been. Or, if you think it's a good idea because basically manufacturers are offering me free products and I can give them to you, then put that in the poll, okay? Because it really comes down to how you folks perceive this. I really want it to be the second of the 2 in terms of the perception, because that's why I'm doing it. I'm trying to say thank you to you folks, okay? Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to run this from now through to December 31st at midnight. So on New Year's Eve, I'm going to be on my Google Drive shutting down the form. We're going to use a Google form to capture the entries. Okay, and between now and then, I'm going to show you how a winner will be selected. This is one of my concerns with these giveaways, and I've done a bunch of research since Saturday on this, on how giveaways are being run on YouTube. Is, you know, it's a concern to me because you don't really know if they're on the up and up. You don't know how a winner is being selected. There's a lot of concerns with that, and I really want to be transparent, and I want each person who actually enters this thing to feel confident that it is happening the way I say it's going to happen. So I'm actually going to show the selection process, how it's actually going to work between now and then, so you feel confident about that. Now here's the thing. You must have a valid YouTube channel. I'm going to ask for that URL. You're going to have to give me an email address. I'm not going to use it to send you spam. I just need it so that I can email you directly to ask for your shipping information so I can send this thing to you. I know there are systems out there that force you to go like a Facebook page and go, you know, subscribe to my Instagram and so on and so forth. Really what I want you to do is just fill out the Google form. You know, if you feel like subscribing and you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate that, and maybe you'll find more helpful videos on the channel. And quite frankly, let's just have a good time with this, all right? So it's going to run from now to midnight on December 31st. So if you haven't got it in there by January 1st, you're too late. And then on January 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to select a winner. That's really what I want this to be. I want it to be fun. I want someone to receive a tool that they'll use and appreciate. And I just want to say thank you to all of you, okay? So let's have fun with it. I'm going to have a link to the form right here, as well as down in the description and in the comment section. And if you have questions or comments about how this is going to work, leave them right now, and I'll try to do my best to answer them. This is something that I've never done, but I want it to be fun. I want it to be on the up and up, and most importantly, I want someone to receive this tool who will use it and appreciate it, all right? Thanks for being a subscriber, or thanks for watching my videos, and I hope a lot of you actually take the time to fill out the form, and have a great day, all right?